In 1919 Boston, a wave of molasses swept through the North End, stalling trains and swallowing streets, leaving a sticky wake. Investigators blamed poor construction, but residents recalled a frothy sweetness turning into a deadly tide, a disaster with lingering questions. Archival photos show the syrupy flood, devastated buildings, and the aftermath as officials debated blame and compensation. The incident sparked new safety codes and remains debated by historians who explore and challenge official explanations. Viewers are invited to share theories about causes, cover-ups, and the long shadow of a sticky mystery.